travel refers to the theoretical ability to move backward or forward in time, allowing individuals or objects to experience events that have already occurred or will occur in the future. While time travel is a popular concept in science fiction, its feasibility and practicality remain highly speculative. The concept of time travel is often explored through various theories and ideas. These are the 7 amazing facts about the time travel. Number 7. Time as a dimension. According to this perspective, time is considered as a dimension similar to the 3 spatial dimensions: length, width, and height. Traveling through time would involve traversing this temporal dimension. The concept of time as a dimension suggests that just as we can move forward or backward in the 3 spatial dimensions, up, down, left, right, forward, backward, it should be possible to move along the time dimension. This implies that time can be traversed in a manner similar to spatial movement, allowing for the possibility of time travel. Number 6. Time dilation. This phenomenon derived from Einstein's theory of relativity states that time can pass at different rates depending on factors like speed and gravity. It suggests that as one approaches the speed of light or enters a region of intense gravitational force, time can slow down or speed up relative to an outside observer. Similarly, time dilation occurs when objects or individuals move at high speeds relative to one another. The faster an object moves, the slower time appears to pass for its compared to a stationary observer. This effect becomes more pronounced as speeds approach the speed of light. The implications of time dilation for time travel are fascinating. If one were to travel near a black hole or at speeds close to that of light, they would experience time passing more slowly compared to an observer outside those conditions. This means that someone traveling in such a manner could, in theory, experience a much shorter subjective time while an expanded time has passed for those outside the gravitational field or moving at slower speeds. Number 5. Wormholes. A wormhole is a hypothetical tunnel that connects 2 separate points in space-time, potentially allowing travel between them. If a wormhole were to exist, it could potentially be used as a shortcut through space and time. If wormholes were to exist and be stable enough for human use, they could potentially provide a means of time travel. The idea is that one could enter a wormhole at a specific point in time and emerge from the other and at a different point in time, effectively jumping through time. The concept of using wormholes for time travel is purely speculative at this point, and there are numerous challenges and paradoxes associated with it. For example, the potential for creating paradoxes such as the grandfather paradox, where one could theoretically travel back in time and prevent their own existence, raises questions about the consistency and causality of the timeline. Additionally, the energy requirements for creating and stabilizing a wormhole are believed to be enormous, possibly requiring exotic forms of matter with negative energy density which have not been observed or fully understood. Number 4. Grandfather paradox. The grandfather paradox is a famous thought experiment in the realm of time travel that raises questions about the consistency and possibility of altering the past. The paradox goes as follows. Imagine you have invented a time machine and decide to travel back in time to a point before your grandfather has fathered any children. Once you arrive in the past, you encounter your young grandfather and for some reason decide to kill him. Now, if you were to kill your grandfather before he had children, a paradox emerges. If your grandfather is dead, he would not be able to father your parent, and therefore you would not exist. If you do not exist, you cannot travel back in time to kill your grandfather, which means he would be alive, and you would exist. This creates an illogical loop where your existence and the act of killing your grandfather both negative each other. The grandfather paradox challenges the possibility of challenging the past because it leads to logical contradictions. It suggests that if time travel were possible, it would either be impossible to change the past, or altering it would create a parallel universe or timeline, effectively sidestepping the paradox. Number 3. Novikov self-consistency principle. This principle proposed by physicist Igor Dmitrievich Novikov. This principle suggests that any actions taken by a time traveler in the past were already part of the established timeline, and therefore cannot result in changes that would create paradoxes. For example, imagine a time traveler who goes back in time to prevent a major disaster. The Novikov self-consistency principle would argue that despite the time traveler's best intentions, their actions would either fail to prevent the disaster or inadvertently contribute to its occurrence. This principle ensures that causality remains intact and that the past cannot be changed in a way that would create inconsistencies. The Novikov self-consistency principle is named after the Russian physicist Igor Novikov, who proposed it in the context of general relativity and time travel. It is one of the proposed solutions to the so-called grandfather paradox and is often used in science fiction as a way to explain the limitations and consequences of time travel. However, it's important to note that time travel remains purely speculative at present, and the Novikov self-consistency principle is just one of many proposed theories regarding its potential implications. Number 2. Multiverse theory. This theory posits the existence of multiple parallel universes or timelines. Time travel could involve shifting between these parallel realities, allowing for changes without directly affecting one's own timeline. The idea of time travel within the multiverse opens up a vast array of possibilities. For instance, one could travel back in time to a specific historical event, but instead of altering our own history, they would be altering the history of a different universe within the multiverse. This concept helps to address the paradoxes associated with changing the past, as any changes made would only affect that particular universe, not our own. Moreover, time travel within the multiverse can provide a glimpse into what could have been or what might be. By exploring alternate timelines, time travelers can gain insights into the consequences of different choices, observe how events unfolded differently, and potentially even learn from the successes or failures of alternate versions of themselves. Number 1. Time loops. Time loops refer to situations where a specific span of time repeats itself endlessly. It implies that the same events occur repeatedly in a cyclical manner, often trapping the time traveler in an infinite loop. In popular culture, the concept of time loops is often portrayed as a recurring sequence of events, where characters are aware of the repetition and try to break free from the loop. One well-known example is the film Groundhog Day, in which the protagonist relives the same day repeatedly. Another example is the television series Russian Doll, where the main character finds herself dying and restarting the same night repeatedly. From a theoretical physics standpoint, time loops are generally not considered possible within our current understanding of the universe. They would require violations of fundamental principles such as causality and the arrow of time. However, some theoretical models like those involving closed time-like curves suggest that time loops could exist in certain extreme scenarios, such as near rotating black holes or through the manipulation of exotic matter. The idea of time loops also raises intriguing philosophical questions. It would challenge our notions of free will and determinism. Would individuals be able to make different choices within each iteration of the loop, or would they be destined to repeat the same actions? Furthermore, the ethical implications of time loops are thought-provoking, as characters could potentially exploit the knowledge gained from previous iterations to manipulate events or prevent certain outcomes. It's important to note that time travel remains purely speculative and theoretical in the realm of science. While many scientific concepts and thought experiments explore the possibilities, no practical methods for achieving time travel have been discovered or proven to be feasible.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.